what's going on, everybody? So today we got a 2021 Nissan GTR, but this thing isn't just a regular GTR. It's what's called a T Spec, and I've never heard of a T Spec until I met Ross, the owner, and he was telling me about it. So tell me about this car. This thing's pretty sweet.
So the T Spec is kind of a revival of the limited colors they offered back with the R34's. So you get the Millennium Jade and the Midnight Purple. From what my understanding is, they made 100 of these and there's only 65 in America, including Canada, from what I've heard. Really the only difference is you get the Nismo carbon ceramic front brakes, the wider front fenders from the track edition. Horsepower is still the same as premium, so you get 565. The interior, though, they did some green, the headlights or the headliner stitching. Other than that, it's basically a combination between the premium, the track edition, and the Nismo. Lightweight aluminum race wheels, bronze color. Honestly, those are my favorite color wheels.
Yeah, they look good.
I'm not changing them. Everybody's like, "What rims?" No, it's staying stock with the wheels.
Yeah, it's special.
Other than that, I've got a little bit of list of modifications coming. I've got an AMS cold air carbon fiber intake on it. I'm gonna run a tune. Maybe put the carbon fiber intake manifold on. I'm not 100% sure on that one. Other than that, top secret wing coming for the rear. I want to do the body kit. That's kind of for the future. Right now it's stock. It definitely turns head on the highway though. So
yeah, this thing's sweet, man. All right, Ross, well, I appreciate you showing me this GTR, the T Spec. I think this thing is really cool, and I'm glad you brought it out to me to let me film it, so I appreciate it, man.
No, I appreciate you coming out, brother. It's been a hell of a fun time.
Oh yeah, but sometime in the near future, this car will be back, and we'll do some pulls and whatever once he modifies it. He's only owned it for like a month, so bear with him. He's gonna start modifying pretty soon, and it'll be back.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I just wanted to capture this car for the cool factor because it's so unique. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.